So we've sold pretty much both the 25 deck gearboxes. So today I'm just gonna chip away and pull the box out of this one. Got that one out over there. Just clean that up, ready to go. So I'll start pulling this box out now. Front here was already up because I had to pull the lower control arm out because we peeled one of these open like a banana at the private hire when we blew the box, and that's it there. Pretty crazy. The one thing I love about paying people to do things so you get the job done right is all the piping and that Kurt's done for me. Simple as I just slip that V-band joint off and the exhaust just sits perfectly flush. Every time I put this in and out, it just sits perfect. Don't have to try and pull it and force it to get it to line up. It all just sits mint. And that's K-Fab for all your piping and modifications that you need doing. He's done all the tube front, cage, pretty much everything on this car. It's killer. What are you girls doing?
He's a girl, it's a pink truck. No, it's just pink.
What are you girls doing?
We're not a girl, that's what. He's recording us! I know.
What are you doing? Trying to fix
We're
this?
just taking
It's not this, not
I know. We're just taking this thingamajiggy off.
Why do you have a pink truck?
It's not pink, it's red.
He got the pink truck.
No, he bought it pink, but then he painted it red. It's red over there.
So what happened? You got water in there.
Yeah, see?
Why was that?
I don't know.
Where did you leave it?
Out in the rain.
Where?
And mine.
Where?
Out in the rain.
are out. Now I'm just going to drop the box out, and then those will be ready to go, and then just wait for the new bow housing to come for this box, and then yeah, cut all that stuff out and try and fit it up in there. I'll put all that into the next video. Hopefully it's not too far away. Forgot, better take the gear stick out first before I pull that box out.
This flat dog out of here. Oh, should meter. What? Get in there. There you go.
Dog is out. He did not do me well at all. Alright, so as he's new, I blew third gear again in the 25 cent box. So I'm currently prepping this one to go in the TR6060. I'm just going to cut off everything in it, on the exterior that's not necessary, and then get the bow housing, put that on, rip that one off. I've got the clutch disc being ordered from, well, through PSA Suspension Automotive. They're just getting new discs to go in my clutch that I already have, because that's still pretty much like new. So then it's just going to have the extreme twin plate with the GM spline disc in it, and then pretty much fit this all up, get a drive shaft made, gearbox cross member, and then yeah, it should be good to go. And then on here with the shifter, because that sits quite a way back from the actual box, I measured, so the bell housing is off now, I measured from the front of the bell housing on my other gearbox out there back to where the center of the gear stick would be, and on this one it would sit sort of around here somewhere. So looking at different shifter kits and that, and then I'll get Kurt to cut this one and try and modify it. Lapworthy has done it before, so yeah, we're probably gonna steal his idea. There's some of the bits, that's not all of them, I've already thrown half of them away, but yeah, they pretty much were sticking out on the gearbox, so quite away. So chop them off to free up some room in the tunnel. Hopefully we'll just be able to, I'll show you in here, cut the tunnel. I'm hoping we can just cut along the top there. I'll pull all the dash and everything out, and then just cut that side, and then obviously the other side, and then try and fit the gearbox up. Then hopefully we'll only have to put some sort of flat bar or something, some thin flat bar or panel steel across there, and use the top straight again, just weld that back on there slightly higher. But yeah, can't really tell until it's all cut out and the box is up in there. Just wait for the new bell housing to come for this box, and then yeah, cut all that stuff out and try and fit it up in there. I'll put all that into the next video. Hopefully it's not too far away.